Can the government attach a GPS tracking device to an individual's car to monitor his or her movements? That was the question before the court in tracking the Kingpin. In this case, the U.S. government suspected the defendant of being a conspirator of a large drug syndicate in the D.C. area. The government obtained a warrant to attach a GPS tracking device on the defendant's wife's car for a period of 10 days. On the 11th day, the FBI agents attached the GPS and proceeded to monitor the movements of the vehicle for the next 28 days, obtaining over 2,000 pages of evidence from the tracking device. The government indicted the defendant for conspiracy to possess and traffic illegal drugs, including cocaine. The defendant challenged the government's use of the GPS to track his movements on the basis that it violated the defendant's rights against illegal search and seizure under the Fourth Amendment to the U.S. Constitution. How would you decide this case? Can the government attach a GPS tracking device to an individual's car to monitor his or her movements? We'll be back in a moment with the answer to that question. Can the government attach a GPS tracking device to an individual's car to monitor his or her movements? Yes, according to the United States Supreme Court, so long as the government obtains a search warrant supported by probable cause. The High Court reasoned that the use of a GPS to monitor a defendant's whereabouts is a search under the Fourth Amendment. The Fourth Amendment states, "The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrant shall issue, but upon probable cause." However, in this case, while the government did obtain a warrant to place the GPS on the suspect's car, the warrant was only good for 10 days, and the government attached the GPS on the 11th day. Because the warrant did not authorize the use of the GPS past the 10th day, all evidence collected by the GPS was inadmissible in court. If the government had renewed the warrant or obtained a new one, the evidence would have been admissible. Therefore, the government can use GPS devices if it first obtains a search warrant from the court, and provided, of course, the warrant has not expired or lapsed. Remember, it's a matter of law.